Welcome back to my channel again. Now in this video I'm going to post the 10 genuine jobs that I got from LinkedIn from couple of HRs as well. So the first job is EPAM company is hiring for automation testing in Python, and these people need automation testing, Python, PyTest, API testing as their skills. The job location would be either in Hyderabad or in Bangalore or in the both locations. And the experience they require is 3 to 10 years of experience. And the notice period is from 0 to 30 days. If you want to apply for this job, share your updated resume at richa_daveshwar at epam.com. I'm not sure what would be the notice period for EPAM company. And for this specific automation testing position in Python, you can demand salary from 10 lakh to 40 lakh INR. Because I know this EPAM company is, high freshers for 7.5 LPA during my college days, and based upon those salary analysis, now you can demand from 10 lakh to 40 lakh salary for the experience of 3 to 10 years. Let's say if you are having like 6 years of experience, ask them 20 lakh INR. Don't hesitate to demand the salary in EPAM company because it pays good. And the next job is in a company called Pata. I think it is a startup, or else I never had a company name with Pata, but you can Google it or you can search in LinkedIn for more information on that part. So these people are hiring for executive assistants, and what would be the roles and responsibilities? These people uh, should acting as a point of contact between the executives and internal and external colleagues, manage information flow in a timely and accurate manner, manage executives calendar and set up meetings, attend meetings with chief officers and draft email of the minutes of meeting and what that it is to be done. So simply you can assume it like an assistant for C-level management. The location would be in Indore, and the experience required for this role is 2 plus years. To apply for this job, you can share your updated resume at hr@pata.com, or you can give a call directly to the number 9826255507. And for this specific role, you can demand salary from 7 lakh to 9 lakh because the experience is 2 plus years, right? Let's say if you have 5 years of experience, please demand more than 12 lakh. It won't bother anyone, but 7 to 9 would be the base. I mean, that should be the appropriate range for this role. And the next company is Pixlar Lab. I don't know, these people are hiring for multiple positions. I think this is my third video related to this job only. And these people are hiring for React.js experience from 6 months to 3 years. And another profile is PHP developer with 6 months to 3 years of experience. And another profile is React Native, and the experience they need is 1 to 4 years of experience. I don't know where exactly this opportunity would be. I think it is somewhere in the northern part of India or Mohali. I'm thinking it is in Punjab, Mohali. So these people have a good benefits and perks like a good hike in the current salary, increments, paid leaves, rewards and recognition, and celebrations like birthdays, work anniversaries, and festivals. And if someone from Pixlr Lab is watching my video, please do share your comments related to the benefits on Pix that Pixlr Lab company is providing. So to apply this job, you can send your updated resume at hr@pixlarlab.com, or you can contact directly at 9056220699 if you have any questions. So along with that, forget to mention about the salary range. For the first job, React.js, 6 months to 3 years of experience, you can demand salary from 4.5 lakh to 12 lakhs. So if they are going to provide salary less than 4.5 lakhs in hand, please don't hesitate to reject that offer, and feel free to find new jobs in my next videos or in these videos. because I believe software engineers are underpaid in the society. So that is the reason I'm mentioning salaries based upon my previous experiences and what should be the appropriate thing. And the next job is for PHP developer, 6 months to 3 years of experience. The same thing goes here. You can demand salary from 4.5 lakhs to 12 lakhs. And for the React Native, from 1 to 4 years of experience, you need to demand 6 lakh to 14 lakhs. If you have more experience, demand more salary. But if you are going to join the company with the salary that below the salary that I mentioned on the screen, you are underpaid. But however, it's up to you. And the next job is shared by Interview Kickstart company, and these people are hiring for director at category management. It's a director level position, if I'm not wrong. If someone is from Interview Kickstart watching this clip, just please feel free to share the job roles and responsibilities. It would be helpful for us, and also do share the salary also. That would be helpful for us. So these people need experience in new category launches, building GTM strategies, and P&L management with an extremely successful business in the US. Interview Kickstart has now launched in the Indian market. I'm really unsure of this company because even I'm seeing this company in the news. But in future videos, I might come up with some more information. And yeah, if you want to apply for this job, you can share your resume at Pratima at interviewkickstart.com. If you need more details, you can feel free to reach Pratima Pai on LinkedIn. And the salary that I have disclosed here is 35 lakh INR salary. It should be minimum for a role, for a role with a tag director. And if they are going to provide you less than 35 lakh salary for the director level, please don't join in that company. So feel free to watch few more videos of my I would be posting in the future and get a good job with a good package. That's my, or that is what I need from you. And the next company is utradesolutions.com. So I have already posted this job in another previous video, but let me share this job again. So these people are hiring for C++ developer, Python developer, project manager, software test engineer, and the minimum required experience is 1 year. For C++ developer and Python developer and software test engineer, please demand a salary more than 6 lakhs per annum. Please don't join the company if they are paying you less than 6 lakh in hand, not CTC. And for the role project manager, you can easily demand more than 20 lakhs. I forgot to mention in this video, but you can demand for at least 20 lakh INR take home. So that would be the appropriate package for this role I recommend. And if you want to apply for this job, you can share your updated resume with Bhavna at bhavna.kalra at utradesolutions.com. And if you have any questions, you can email to that person directly and ask few more details. And the next company is Prithvi Tech. So these people are looking for freelance big data engineers in India. These people have multiple positions, 100% remote, starting with a 12-month project that can be extended. Please send your resumes to experts at prithvitech.com. Okay, this would be a great opportunity for the freelancers who have experience in big data. So, since this is a freelancing, I don't think it should require a full time, I mean, like 9 hours. So, you can work like 2 to 3 hours per day. And I recommend you to demand at least 9 lakh salary depending upon your skills, because big data engineers are getting paid high when compared to the different positions in the software industry. And the next company is AMCC. So AMCC is looking for internal auditor. Location is New Delhi, and the salary would be 7 to 8 lakhs. And these people require 3 years of experience for the role, and the education is BCom, MCom, or CA. But I am really not sure which CA person is going to work for 7 to 8 lakhs in a company because they really invested a lot of hard work to clear their CA exam. Maybe it's a good position for BCom, and don't get me wrong, BCom guys, but this is what I feel. And the job description is ability to confidently present audit observations and point of view effectively across all levels of management and staff, development of policies, procedures, risk assessment, control frameworks, operating modules and optimization process, effective handling of assignments on internal audit, internal financial control, designing of SOPs, process audits, enterprise risk management, control assessment, etc. And if someone is, watching this video, I mean, if some auditor is watching this video, please feel free to share your comment. What would be the required salary for auditors with the experience of 3 years? And also, CA people also just comment what would be what would be your required salary if you have 3 years of experience. So I would be giving salary like 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs for non-CA people. This is what I recommend you to demand salary. And yeah, that's it for this job. And the next position would be based on Gurgaon, and the company called Logic Planet is hiring for HR recruiter, so internal hiring role. And these people, this job requires you to work from office, not from home. And these people need like you should have hands-on exposure working on job boards such as Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, and other headhunting techniques. Should be smart and aggressive with solid negotiation and closing skills. Okay, and experience in 1 plus years in the recruitment field, and it's a work from office only, so they would prefer mostly Gurgaon people only. Shift timings is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And the next is the CTC they have mentioned is 3.5 LPA max. So I don't think this job is worth because 3.5 LPA is very less even for a fresher. So I just give a shot, just have some interview experience with these people, but demand at least 4.5 lakh in hand salary. If they are going to offer you less than 4.5 lakhs, please don't join the company because there are some big companies who would pay you more, and you get a good opportunity to hire, get more salary and be in a big company, and you might get work from home also if interested. So if you want to apply for this job, you can send your resume at aishwarya@logicplanet.com, or you can reach her directly at 91548 and yeah, 4.5 lakhs would be a good route. And HR recruiters who are watching this video, please share the salary that should be expected for this role. And the next job is at mrtinfotech.com, and these people are hiring for customer support executive. 6 days working, day shift, it's a good thing. 1 week off, the bad thing again. Graduation is must. Hindi and English fluent, experience 6 to 12 months of experience, and the salary is 18K to 20K, which is very less. I don't recommend people to join with that salary until and unless you need money efficiently. But salary you need to ask them is 25,000 take home per month plus incentives. Let's say if you are working on every Saturday, ask them to pay more. And this is a walk-in. The walk-in is on Monday, 18 July 2022. You can share your updated resume at deepika.ramula at mrtinfotech.com. And I'm sorry, guys, I don't have an address of this company, but feel free to reach Deepika Ramula for any other information like where is the company, when would be the drive, you can ask them. Or else you can call to her directly at 844 733 4932. And the next job is based off Infosys, and Infosys hiring for multiple roles with at least 2+ years of experience. So the first job is project manager, which requires 8 to 20 years of experience. So the salary you need to demand would be 25 lakhs to 45 lakhs, and they are hiring for MuleSoft developer, 2 to 8 years of experience. The salary you need to demand would be from 8 lakhs to 25 lakhs. And the next is on Java technology, I mean Java programming, from 2 to 10 years of experience, you need to demand at least 8 lakhs to 30 lakhs salary. Like, let's say if you have 2 years, 8 lakh would be better. If you have 5 years, 15 lakh would be better. If you have 8 years, ask more than 22 to 25 in that between there. If you have 10 or 10 plus 30 lakhs, don't join for the salary less than that I mentioned here, because if you are going to do that, you are underpaying yourself. You are not valuing your work. The next job is SAP FICO. It's a good opportunity for SAP people. SAP FICO with 5 to 10 years of experience, and I would recommend you to demand salary from 15 lakhs to 30 lakhs for this role. And the next job is SAP ABAP, with 5 to 10 years of experience. Same thing, 15 lakh to 30 lakhs. SAP SD, 5 to 10 years of experience. You need to demand 15 lakh to 30 lakhs. SAP basis, 5 to 10 years of experience, you need to demand 15 lakhs to 30 lakhs. Start cloud platform, 2 to 5 years of experience, demand at least 7 lakhs to 15 lakhs. Dell Boomi, 2 to 8 years of experience, you can demand from 7 lakhs to 25 lakhs. And the next is SAP BW, 2 to 8 years of experience, you need to demand 7 lakhs to 25 lakhs for this role. So, one condition is if you have already applied within the last 6 months, please don't share your resume again. So, to apply for this role, just email your resume to ravikant.kenre at infosys.com along with the below details. So, due to some reasons, I'm unable to screenshot the entire thing. But the details you need to send is your first name, your last name, your previous experience, current CTC, expected CTC, all this. So if any Infosys employee is watching this video, please share the expected salaries that you know the new hires should expect from these roles. And all the salaries that I mentioned in those images are with my assumptions, because I have analyzed a lot of salaries in lots of companies. With that experience I'm sharing here, and salaries might be more or less, but it's up to you. If you have a good skills and you want to pay good, I mean value for your work, you can demand the salaries that I mentioned here. If not, it's up to you. It's again, it's your decision. And yeah, I will be posting few more jobs in my next videos. Until then, just keep watching this video again and again. Please share this video with genuine job seekers or freshers or your cousins, friends who are looking for job. Just suggest them to watch this video. And finally, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your patience. Please do like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye. Signing off.